Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. Today's video is a great hair moisturizer that will not only moisturize your hair but will also stimulate hair growth. So if you are looking out to growing your hair much faster, fuller and thicker, make sure you are watching this video to the end. So to start with, I got some ginger. I didn't use any specific measurement when it came to the ginger. I just picked a handful of ginger, cleaned it very good. Then after that, I rinsed it. Then I'm going to put it aside and allow it to air dry. This is clove. Clove is one of the powerful natural ingredients that can help stimulate hair growth. Clove has antioxidants that can help treat your scalp and also prevent hair damage. Adding clove to your hair care routine can prevent hair breakage and stimulate hair growth. So I added about a tablespoon of clove to my ginger. Then after that, I added olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, just to mention a few. The trick is to top it up, make sure the oil covers all the natural ingredients. Then after that, you're going to blend it into a smooth paste like so. And then you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what I did was I left the mixture on the stove to allow it to fry or cook for about 15 minutes on a low heat. Then after that, I set it aside to allow it to cool down. I had to strain it twice. I used the cheesecloth and a paper towel together to help me get the oil with no particles in there. So at this point, I set the oil aside. This is my Vaseline. Vaseline is great for the skin as well as for your hair. You can use Vaseline to moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a long time. But you need to know the right way to use it in order to prevent it from feeling so heavy on the hair and greasy as well. So if you follow this recipe, you will know exactly how to use Vaseline on your hair. This is shea butter. Shea butter is also a great moisturizer. When put together with Vaseline, that is the trick. It is going to keep your hair moisturized for a long time to prevent hair breakage, hair fall, and also strengthen your hair strand. I'm also going to add my carrier oil. Today, I decided to use some coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very lightweight oil that easily penetrates your hair strands, add some shine to your hair, and prevent hair breakage. So I measured about 1 tablespoon of my shea butter, a tablespoon of my Vaseline, and about half a tablespoon of my coconut oil. I put everything together in a hot water using the double boiler method. I'm going to melt all these 3 ingredients together. And then you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so once everything is melted together like so, you don't have to waste time. You need to add your other ingredients before it solidifies again. So at this point, I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. So these are vitamin E capsules. They are great when you add these to your hair care routine or your DIY hair products. It is going to help add benefits to it by preventing hair breakage and also strengthen your hair strands. I'm also going to add my essential oil. This is tea tree essential oil. Adding essential oils to your DIY recipes will also add to the benefits of it. Tea tree essential oil treats your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues, as well as preventing hair breakage. This is the oil, the ginger and clove oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the ginger and clove oil to my melted shea butter, Vaseline, and coconut oil. I give it a good stir and this DIY recipe is all ready. You just made yourself a great hair moisturizer. So at this point, you're going to leave this in your refrigerator and wait until it becomes solid again. Once it solidifies, you can start using your oil or your hair pomade. This hair moisturizer will not only moisturize your hair, but because of the ingredients added like ginger and clove, it is going to also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues that might prevent your hair from growing. Use this hair moisturizer whenever your hair feels dry, at least 5 times in a week, and also you can use this on your wash days to moisturize your hair. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.